Consulting is very people-focused. You're working on some of the client's most challenging and most interesting and complex problems, and ultimately improve the way that they're operating on a day-to-day.
The MCA Awards are an amazing opportunity to hear firsthand from clients in the public and private sector about the true value of consulting and results delivered in the last year.
The fact that we did this transformation during the pandemic with pace and rigour was only possible because we had external consultancy.
Because of the pandemic, there was going to be a real drop-off in venture capital investment, and the Chancellor would put forward suggestions about the Future Fund, and that was very different from anything we'd done before. And so we looked for someone to help us do that. As a result of that consultancy and that very collaborative working, we managed to invest in over 1,000 companies with over £1 billion worth of investment.
That a consultancy gave us access to world-class resources that we just couldn't have recruited locally. There probably isn't a single area of policing in Sussex that hasn't been impacted by our data analytics work.
Trying to change an organisation from within is sometimes quite difficult, and this is probably the biggest change management piece we've tried at Welsh Water for a number of years. We thought it was important to bring in knowledge of best practice from other companies.
At the strategic level, the work we did supported Co-op in landing their biggest ever change and has provided a fundamental building block for their future growth.
For me as a consultant, it's working with clients, taking them through those transformative steps to actually realise their vision ultimately.
Our job is to help organisations to spend their money well and to spend it wisely.
I think it's really important that we support our young consultants because they are the future of our industry.
I'd love to be in a position where I'm leading a new generation of consultants in the sphere of environmental, social and governance, particularly focused on sustainability around procurement and supply chains.
There's 6 sectors which will be structurally more difficult to decarbonise. The aim is really in each sector to produce thought leadership that can then be taken forward to start to kind of shift some of those behaviours and change actions to reduce emissions.
We not only help clients be more sustainable, but also help clients unlock the opportunities that a transition to a more sustainable world presents.
The real challenge is trying to create trust. They come to our business, they did a lot of research, not just desktop, but they were out in the business, on the ground, and really getting to know us.
We set up a chain of supermarkets from literally, here's an idea, to having 5 supermarkets servicing 19 hospitals, 27 care homes. I think we gave out over 5,000 boxes of food to NHS staff.
I'd never worked in a supermarket or retail at the time, and we had to do that within days. And it was just amazing.
You get to work with so many different people, so many different industries, you get to travel the world, and the experiences that you get are just absolutely irreplaceable.